This video is made possible by our loyal Patreon supporters. Visit patreon.com.
Hi, this is Chandler Rose, and here's a great quick fix for wrist pain or carpal tunnel syndrome or symptoms. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And if you haven't already, follow us on social media for tips, tutorials, giveaways, and daily inspiration. First, I will initiate a few deep, slow breaths. So breathe through your nose and exhale through the mouth. And breathe through the nose. And one more. And now that we're a little more relaxed, I'd like you to locate the arm where you're feeling more pain or tenderness. For me today, I'm going to work on my left arm with my right hand. And then I'll have you locate your elbow crease here. And take your thumb just lateral to the elbow crease under the elbow. And I'm going to have you squeeze in. This is a very dense, tender area. A lot of people are not aware of how tender and tight this gets. And just go all the way down towards your wrist. So again, 1, 2, 3, breathe. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And if you're feeling any spots of tension or discomfort, feel free to stay on those spots and take a breath. You may feel this radiating down towards the hand. Totally normal. It's actually a good thing. You're accessing those trigger points in that area. And feel free to repeat that on the other side as well. And after that, I'm going to take you into a stretch for the wrist and the median nerve, which oftentimes causes pain in the hand that comes from either the arm or neck. So with your elbow bent and relaxed, I'll have you locate this notch between the wrist bones and the palm, just right under the hand. And then you're going to take your hand you're working with and just squeeze in towards the median nerve, which is lined up in the center of all these carpals, these wrist bones. And squeeze there and breathe. And let it go. And you can move your hand and wrist, get a little more range of motion there after warming it up. And again, squeeze in. Breathe. And let it go. Rotate that wrist either way. And then one more time, squeeze in. And let it go. And now that our arm is feeling a little more warmed up, I'll have you take your hand out, facing away from you, and take your other hand and gently stretch your fingers back towards your midline. And breathe. And you can take your thumb on its own, give it a little fascial stretch here, very helpful for increasing sensation in the hand and helping with that wrist pain. And let it go. And you can shake your hands out. That was a little work we just did there. So let's go through that again on the other side. So take a breath. Exhale slowly. Locate that dense area in your extensors, just below the crease of your elbow. On the outside, take your thumb, squeeze in. Breathe, squeeze. Exhale, squeeze. Exhale, squeeze. You can also take your fingertips in, squeeze, breathe, and locate that notch between the wrist bones and the palm, and squeeze in, and breathe, and let go. Squeeze in, breathe, and let go. One more time. Squeeze in, breathe, let go. And then again, we'll offer that same stretch on the other side, taking your elbow in towards your midline and your other hand supporting your hand, stretching your fingers back, stretching the fascia, and breathing. Offering more relief to your hand, your right hand, and stretching the thumb, and then shaking them out. I hope your wrists are feeling better and more relaxed. Feel free to refer to this video anytime you're having hand or wrist pain. And thank you so much.
Introducing Yoga Plus, offering a free series every month with over 300 different videos. Take control of your health. Work out anytime, anywhere. Yoga Plus. Download now for free.